Juice like EBC with a Puerto Rican breezy with the perfection to please me. I'm low down, dirty, stinking and sleazy. I'm tired of chasing hoes, I want them butt naked and easy. Put on your fuck me dress, stick your cleavage out, stick your toes out. Don't be trying to hold out. Pucker them lips up, she got your Duke and shooter. You got a brother with a lay pipe like Roto Rooter. I want the things in my face like niggas that go to Hooters. I'm trying to beat up the cooler like I'm supposed to do ya. Ignorant troops from the 100-proof ruler. I'ma chill and let the funk do ya.
It's so dangerous, not many in the world can hang with us.
No.
Often we can handle us, or women think that they can handle us. So, don't stand a chance, you might as well grab a girl and start the game.